Hello everyone, it's Mike from Inside the Magic, and I'm here at Disneyland, the original Disneyland, as you can tell. And it's mid-May 2016, kind of a transitional period for the original Magic Kingdom. I thought it would be a good idea to walk around the park a little bit and just kind of talk about some of the changes that are happening. If anyone hasn't been to the park for a while, you might be interested in seeing how things are shaping up and how certain construction projects are coming along. So let's take a look around. First, I want to show you, obviously the Disneyland Railroad is still not running due to the Star Wars construction, but they are still allowing guests to approach the railroad and sit on the train and take their pictures with the engine and stuff. So as you can see, the 60th anniversary diamond celebration decorations are still up on Sleeping Beauty Castle, and that will continue through till the end of the summer, when the castle will be converted back to its ordinary state. And here in Tomorrowland, it's still Season of the Force. Now that event started back in November, and Disneyland has not announced an end date for that. So for the time being, most of Tomorrowland has been converted to a kind of a temporary Star Wars land as we wait for the real Star Wars expansion to complete construction. So this building is currently called the Tomorrowland Expo Center, and it's been home to a number of things over the years. Originally it was the Carousel of Progress, and then it was America Sings for a while, and then Innoventions, and then in the fall it got turned into Star Wars Launch Bay, and on the top floor we had Superhero HQ, which opened with Launch Bay in November. As you can see up here, the Superhero HQ sign has been removed. And let's go inside. So we're inside Star Wars Launch Bay now, and I just wanted to show you the top floor here. Again, this building for a long time was Innoventions, but the Superhero HQ is totally dark upstairs, and there's no word yet from Disneyland officially on what's going to be replacing Superhero HQ. Here we are in Fantasyland, and this is over here you've got the former entrance to Big Thunder Trail, which is blocked off again during construction. And you can see they've cleared out a lot of trees back here as well. Back there, that's the old Fantasyland Skyway terminal. You can make it out through the trees there. That's endangered. I may come back here one day and that'll be totally gone, but it'll be sad because it's been there so long. But it's right next to where they're currently doing construction on Star Wars. And now I'm on the other side of the Big Thunder Trail, and you can see here that a whole bunch of the trees once again have been taken down, and that big mound of dirt back there, that's going to be the Star Wars expansion sometime in the future. As you can see right now, it looks like Tatooine. So right now I'm standing on the top deck of the Mark Twain riverboat, which is semi-permanently docked here in Frontierland. But what I wanted to show you is the Rivers of America. Get a good look back here. That's where it's blocked off. And they put up, about a month or two ago, they put up these painted backdrops. They're kind of screen backdrops that just look like what the rest of the river used to look like. Here's the other side of the rivers of America, and that other backdrop that they've put up to block the back half of the river where it's been drained. And here's the way the rivers of America look from Critter Country right now. But if you look in the back there, you can see how many of the trees have been taken down, and you can see the giant Disneyland Resort parking structure, which for a long, long time, since it's been built, you've never been able to see it from the park. And now, because the trees have been taken down, for the first time you can make it out from the park there. So this is currently the best possible view right now from inside the park of the Star Wars construction area. As you can see, I'm in the Hungry Bear restaurant. And just around the corner back here, you can see where they've drained the rivers of America. And these big mounds of dirt will eventually be Star Wars. But it's very sad to see, you know, this is where the Indian chief used to be, the Indian village back in the rear side of the rivers of America. That's Tom Sawyer Island right there, the back part of Tom Sawyer Island. And that's how it looks right now. And hopefully, again, we'll see some more details soon.